Hello guys, my name is Vanpar and you're watching my channel Vivan Math Music Arts and Technology. So in this video we are going to see three best tips for Ubuntu. These tips are specifically very useful for the people who have just switched from Windows to Linux or Windows to Ubuntu. These all features are available in Windows by default, but we are going to get it in Ubuntu too, and this is very helpful for Ubuntu users also and the users who have just switched to the Ubuntu from the Windows. So without wasting any further time, let's get straight into the video. So the first tip is to changing the directories. Okay, let me explain that if you open your file explorer, you can see the sidebar. In the sidebar, there are options home, desktop, document, download, music, pictures, videos, trash, and the Google Drive, whichever you have linked. Now, if I click to the desktop, it goes let me to home desktop, download home downloads. But what if I want that if I click on document, I goes on my OneDrive document or Google Drive document or Mega document, whichever cloud service you have integrated with your file explorer. So this is very simple in Windows. Just go to right clicks and location, then change the target directory. But in Ubuntu it's little bit tricky. So let's get started. Press Ctrl H to show all the hidden files in the home directory. Then go to config files, search for user dirs.dirs, which is user directories. Just copy this and paste it anywhere in the folder. This is to create a backup. So by chance if you got messed up with something and you want to revert back, so you can just revert back. Okay, then you need to open it with your favorite text editor. After opening it with your favorite text editor, you can see the desktop, download, templates. So I have changed documents, music, pictures and videos. So in OneDrive, in Windows and documents, I want this to me the by default document. So I have just go to properties, copy this, copy the parent folder and just paste it in the line which is documents. Then after you have done this, you need to press Alt plus F2, then press R and hit enter. It will refresh your GNOME shell and the work may have to be done. So there is one downside, that people who has habit of opening file explorer then going to documents, it is not going to work, because if you goes to the document, it will take you to home document. You need to navigate through your sidebar, because we have changed the directories of sidebar only. So I have one recommended extension you can use, which is places show indicator, which shows the sidebar directories directly into your activity bar. Just click on places and go to documents, there documents, music, pictures and the sidebar which you have. Okay, now the second tip is that if you want to share the link of downloading any software to your friend, you will just give the link of exe or the Microsoft Store application. If it's that simple in Windows, but for Linux user you need to say that open Snap Store and search this, then go to this result and click on install to install this, or add the repository or type the command. But this can be much simpler with this tip. For example, I have created one HTML document. I will click on this link and it will ask to open application. When I will open this will tell the package Thunderbird is already installed. This is telling that package Thunderbird, which I want to install through this link, is already installed on my system. So let's see how I did this. Create one HTML document or the link, Then in the href part you need to write apt colon Thunderbird. If you want to install snap package, just replace apt with snap and then click this. Here you can see the snap store opening. Okay, here you can see that the Thunderbird snap store opened. So this is as simple as it. Let's change the application Firefox. Okay, then you can see the snap store opening with the Firefox, and replace snap with apt. Here you can see the apt package installer dialog box. Okay, I think I haven't refreshed it. Here you can see install additional software. Do you want to install package Firefox? Here if you will click on install, the Firefox will be installed. Tip is for File Explorer. To look, to feel Ubuntu File Explorer more like Windows File Explorer. So there are two things which is missing in Ubuntu File Explorer. First, which is very important, that if you want to create the shortcut of any folder, you can't create in Ubuntu. And if you want to change the folder icon, you can, but it's little bit tricky. So let's see how we can create the link and change the folder icons. Just go to preferences and behavior, then show action to create symbolic icons. This will enable this create link option in your context menu. Then create the link, cut it or copy it and paste it somewhere else. So if I want that, I go to pictures and then open, then here I redirected to the documents. Here I can see that I redirected to the documents. It's as simple as it. And if I want to change the icon, that folder icon, so just right click the folder or the link, go to properties, and here you can see the icon. Just click on this and choose any of the icon you want. For example, let me choose this of zoom icon. Here you can see that this is just zoom icon. Okay, if you want to revert this, again same steps. Just don't select any file and don't open it, just click on revert and it has been reverted. I hope you like these 3 tips and will help you. See you next time.